Question 91. Short conversation. There was an accident because of chickens.
Was anyone injured?
No, but it caused A. Property damage. B. Traffic congestion. C. A power outage. D. Severe injuries. Question 92. Question and response. What is the opposite of flat? A. Smooth. B. Even. C. Uneven. D. Horizontal. Question 93. Short conversation. She looked so grouchy this morning.
Yeah, she was really.
A. Cheerful. B. Crabby. C. Calm. D. Content. Question 94. Short conversation. Let's go quickly.
Wait a minute, I just want to see the plane.
A. Land. B. Take off. C. Park. D. Board. Question 95. Question and response. What kind of room has a lot of space? A. Cramped. B. Cozy. C. Roomy. D. Narrow. Question 96. Short conversation. What is the main topic of the article?
It's about
A. A daring robbery. B. A new traffic law. C. A weather report. D. An accident investigation. Question 97. Question and response. What does summon mean? A. To call for someone. B. To dismiss someone. C. To praise someone. D. To ignore someone. Question 98. Question and response. Which of the following can ripen? A. Bread. B. Tomato. C. Cheese. D. Milk. Question 99. Short conversation. He got a gash yesterday.
really? Was it a
A. Bruise. B. Scab. C. Cut. D. Scratch. Question 100. Short conversation. Are you still having trouble with your hand?
Yes, it's hard to.
A. Grit. B. Gripe. C. Grip. D. Grasp.